Hi there, welcome to VSF Recovery Team. Well, we started on our road trip with our EM50. We loaded up and left the driveway this morning and got hit by a storm. Yeah, and it's a good thing that I knew most of the roads for the first 10 miles because otherwise we would have been in the ditch. Anyway, we're about 2 hours into our road trip now, and we're just ahead of the storm, I guess.
Yeah, it's gonna hit us. It's right behind us on our tail.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, let me get that truck.
Oh, see?
Yeah, see?
Oh. Yeah. Big nasty storm coming in behind us. Well, we'll see if we can stay ahead of it. We were chasing lightning for a while.
Oh, we're still chasing lightning.
Well, yeah. Anyway, we got Mara in the passenger seat. She's navigator. Abby's in the back seat. She's sleeping. And we're heading east. Hey, look, there's another urban assault vehicle.
Yeah.
I suppose you guys are wondering what we're doing with the urban assault vehicle. Well, first of all, to be totally honest with you, it's not ours. It belongs to my cousin Steve, and he wants to keep it, but it needs an overhaul. The engine goes through a lot of oil and a lot of coolant. Well, these guys in Michigan, they're supposed to be the experts. So he wanted it hauled to Michigan for them to overhaul it and get it all running good. So we said we'd do a road trip and haul it to Michigan for him. Well, that's the Crandon racetrack. They have lots of off-road racing there. I've never been to any of it. Well, the storm has burned off, and we're almost across Wisconsin. We're going to stop for fuel in Norway. Is Norway in Wisconsin or Michigan?
It's in Michigan.
It's in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Abby's up now. She's awake, and we're well on our trip. Well, we stopped for fuel before we got to Michigan. And we put $102 of fuel in, and we'll check our trailer here. Everything looks good.
Are we in Michigan yet?
Not quite. Pretty close though.
Well, we've been driving for like a really long time.
Well, yeah, all the way across the state of Wisconsin.
We've only been driving for 6 hours. You slept half of it. Oh, my bad.
We're in Michigan, Abby.
Actually?
Yes.
Yeah. It looks the same though.
Yeah, it does. You know how I can tell we're in Michigan?
No.
Instead of having wayside rests, we have roadside parks.
Oh.
Well, that's just an inlet or a bay. It is part of Lake Michigan.
Is that a lighthouse?
That's Lake Michigan.
Trees are in my way.
Oh, you got an opening up here. That's big.
Yes, it is.
So there it is, sweetheart. There's the bridge. What do you think?
I'm excited to go over it. That's the one I watched on TV, right?
Yep. Climb the tower. Try our powerful telescope. Bridge view. Last exit before toll. Hello.
First time across?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Okay, what do we owe ya?
$8.
Eight-
Because you're hauling that motorhome the smart way. If it were on the ground, it would cost you 15.
Right.
Do you want something to commemorate your crossing? Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's nothing big, but it's something I do.
Yes, please.
There. I
All
rode
right.
on their first crossing.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one.
You
Yes.
too. Well, here we go. The Mackinac Straits and the bridge crossing. So we got to have our hazards on and 20 miles an hour. So what do you think?
I'll tell you when we're crossed.
Okay.
And that's the crate in the middle that you can look down through.
Yep.
But you can't be over there.
Nope, I have to stay in this lane 20 miles an hour. We're up there a ways.
We're up high.
Yeah, we are.
Temple water down there.
That's so ships can go underneath.
Yeah. He's gonna come under this bridge. And no, you cannot stop on the bridge.
Nope, no stopping on the bridge.
And yes, we're still on the bridge because this bridge is 5 miles long.
Wow.
And every Labor Day weekend, they have a walk from 6:30 in the morning till noon
Ah,
on this bridge.
Oh.
They shut the bridge down.
good thing we didn't come then.
Yep. Out over there.
And if you look over there, you see a lighthouse.
There's a lighthouse.
I don't know if they can even see it in the camera. So we're gonna go see if we can park by that lighthouse somewhere. So that's the bridge we just came across.
Yes, it is.
So this is a visitor center for the fort. If you got a penny, I got the quarters.
Can I get those two? Because that one's a lighthouse and then that one's kind
Yeah.
of like a watchtower.
Here.
Whoa.
Grab the pennies.
And yeah, I got all the I got quarters. And I need 2 pennies, right? Yeah. Because it's
No.
quarter.
Now make sure you turn the handle for which one you want. So right now it's on the watch. It's on this one right here.
Yeah, that's one of the ones I want. So, quarter. I don't think I've gotten one of these since we were in Moab. And I found my Moab one.
Okay, turn.
Wait, what way do I turn again?
Clockwise. There you go.
There's that one.
Let's see.
The lighthouse one.
Ah, yeah.
It says Mackinac steak. Good job.
And that one is the lighthouse. Wow. Pretty nice.
See, this is why I should have brought my little bag. Because then I could
Okay.
collect stuff.
It's okay, I got it.
Ooh. Lighthouse socks?
Yes, but it's all the lighthouses.
Huh. Now we're gonna go look at the lighthouse. Mackinac Point Lighthouse. No? It's warm?
Barely. It's not like cold that you're gonna freeze to death, but it's not like warm like a hot tub.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know about you, but I think it's time to get something to eat.
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right. Looks like we got a restaurant right here.
Oh, great. It says come in and cool off.
All right. Well, good morning. We stayed in Mackinac last night. It was wonderful. We're on the road again. We got about 4 hours to go. Drop off the urban assault vehicle, and then we'll be heading back through Mackinac. Maybe we'll stop and stay a while and check things out. Maybe we'll go somewhere else. I don't know. Stay tuned. Well, we stopped here for gas, and I just had to get a sticker. Well, we're in Sandusky. Now we got to find the place to drop the motorhome
In a
off.
quarter mile, continue straight onto Sanilac Road.
Ah, okay. We can. Center lane closed ahead.
Continue straight onto Sanilac Road, then turn left onto North Dawson Street.
Yep, okay. That'll take us around the construction.
At the light, turn left onto North Dawson Street. In a quarter mile, turn right onto West Argyle Street.
Okay.
I think it's that building right there.
I think you're right. I see a whole bunch of urban assault vehicles.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, let's go ask these people where they want this.
Yep. So, this is the place that works on these, and it's called Cinnabar. We're going to unload the EM50 here and let them work on it.
How different
Okay.
was that than the wrecker?
The EM50 is delivered. That's a little bit harder than the wrecker. All right, looks like we're all set to go. We're gonna head back to Mackinac, check things out a little closer, hopefully. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe, and maybe we'll see you in the next video.